Wow, guys, this show has gotten even more crazier and crazier and crazier and crazier than ever because that Kuya that Kuya Billy is now playing funny tricks upon me, just like in the game show called Oops. Your face sounds familiar! Tama kayo dyan! Babalik na Tama kayo dyan! Babalik na tayo dyan dito sa Your Face Sounds Familiar, kung saan si Rafi ay mag-rap ng isang beses. Pero bago dyan, we are now headed to map number 18, which is a race simply dedicated to Rex, Keon, Jian, Jed, Jacob! Yay! Hooray! Hi, brother. Hey, Keon! Hey, Kit! Hey, Timothy! Brother, kung kaswe siya, what does that mean? Ooh, it means lower down your voice. Okay, okay. Hello, brother. Brother Adam, Kian told me kung kaswe siya. Do you know what that means? It means lower down your voice, brother. What? Just that? That plain old simple saying? That is true. That plain old simple saying is true. Because this brother Rafi has planned even more excitement than usual, that I'm still getting even more headaches from his next antic. What was that me who planned all these antics, old man Netnuts? It was Kuya Vong Navarro! Oh my goodness, now that is like... Wait, are you trying to tell me that Kuya Vong Navarro and Kuya Jong Hilario are from the most exciting game show of Your Face Sounds Familiar? Oh my goodness, now if he is your fast racer, oh my goodness, this is already getting much too exciting. That doesn't Brother, I'll admit. Anyway, it's time to head down to map number 18. Even though I was not able to play the alphabet game a while ago.
Yeah, remember the time you played the alphabet game at my circuit? You failed, but now you have another chance. You can play it here at the DS Yoshi Box.
Yay, and maybe I'll help you win. And by the way, I just want to tell you guys something before we continue. Did you know there was something finicky about the scoreboard right now? Check out our subordinate racers. It could be Yus in the pit, it can be Baby Jewel, or it can be Brother Adam. Who knows? Only one way to find out. Anyway, choose that race.
Let's play the alphabet.
Yay! Hooray! More alphabet antics and fun. Okay. I think maybe at the end, Brother Alvin will do his boring Z antic again. Oh, yes, he will be, and I'll just be laughing at it, brother. Sorry. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Okay, letter A. What's the name of alternate starts with letter A? Adamson is back. A, B, C. I'm gonna catch you all with my defying the examining and finicky, gorgeous, gigantic mushroom, which made me so huge. That's letter H. Now for letter I, you idiots know what to say, because I crossed the finish line, unless you're the Mario man. Just kidding. J and K. Kuya JK Nabajo. That's letter L, you know si Kuya JK Nabajo. Malapit na si Kuya JC. And that's letter M. He's on the move. And now, trying to follow my open path. N, O, P. Letter Q. I take the speed booster so that I can quiver, so that Rafi the River Racer will scoot across the river. And letter S, O! Stop that shit! T, time is up because I've fallen into the underwater. T and U. V, oh my goodness. Here comes the racing vibes of other people. they're acting so violent because W, I have to go through the water. X might as well because I've already enlarged myself. Why, you guys are so freaking into the top. Because letter Z is... There we go again. It happened again. Not! Why didn't I win? How pathetic! But good news! Looking at that makes you feel like that Ate Diamante or an Ate Alexa Ilagan or the Crystal Bringer is still on the rush. Oh my gosh! Since I won, do you know what letter Z stands for? Letter Z stands for... alam ko na! Kasama si Kuya Pong naman, Mars mas active. Alam ko na, pwede naman maging your face sounds familiar. Kasama na si Michi. Tawa na naman tayo. You're very noisy. Oh, ano yung letter Z? Ang letter Z ay walang iba kundi sige Ate Tia, tulog na tayo. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng Z. Gising na! O, tingnan mo, tulog si Stephanie, oh. Kung nag-Z siya, pwede ko i-kiss ko siya sa Crystal Beam naman. Kita, yak! Ikaw talaga, Rocky. Putay ka talaga. Brother, I think it's kind of rude to court girls like that. Yes, brother. We have to be mindful of what we're supposed to be doing, brother. We shouldn't just stalk girls out of random. Yeah, I know, Brother Adam. It's good to have you boys. I do not know what happened to the Warren Princess here, because imagine if that Princess Ali were here, this game would become twice as exciting already. Well, it's a good thing you guys are here, because you, Brother Adam, if you were my fiancé, it will get even more exciting. And if this game gets even more exciting, I'm... Brother Alvin! And if this game becomes even more exciting, this old man Netnot has to requisitely and forcibly and immediately tell you to just press that quit button. But before you do that, since you are playing your exciting alphabet game, what does the letter Z stand for? Listen! Letter Z is for... Gee, now that was just... What did you say, brother? Plain old boring, brother. What? Plain old boring. I like it better if you speak boring that way, brother. So you want me to be boring? If you can, brother, you should be boring. Because I like your expositivity and excitement. But Brother Alvin told me that he likes it when you're excited, but please, sometimes you must be boring. Yeah, and you know, Rappy, when you also go to church, when you also go to church too, instead of just thinking about your beloved Joas, think about the Lord instead. That's what'll keep you boring. Of course, Kian, but it's no time to be boring because we have another exciting rap battle right now. Follow me. And you know what time is it now, girls? It's time to go to the Cooper River. My name is Jordan. You call me that? Not that rap. Come on. Babe Daisy! Mirror time! Oh yeah! Oh, it's time to make another rap battle! Oh, ganito! Ito na bago! Dahil si Rappy, my Christmas rap battle! Kahit hindi tayo pamasko, magpamasko tayo ulit!
Yes, last Christmas! Let's do this!
3, 2, 1, let's sing Last Christmas! Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, I'll send it for tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, I'll send it for tears, I'll give it to someone special. Once bitten and twice shy. I'll give my distance, but you still have my circumstance. Well, if it's you, doesn't surprise me. I wrapped in a list and I love you all in your magic. Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kiss me now, you'll never fool me again. Let's go! Okay, Diamante, I'm really gonna catch you now, or I can see your voice. Para kay Kuya Jong, at tuloy ko yung Bong Navarro, pwede ako mag-rap all day long. Right now, huwag tayo sa isang oras. Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, save for tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. But this year, save for tears, I'll give it to someone special. Nice, very good. Oh yeah, my name is Jordan, I love to rap. My name is Jordan, you call me that. Let's listen to the Rappy's rap, not your own rap. Come on, girls. It's time for us to win a Matter Cup. That's right, Jordan. And now it's time for the final lap, where we get to sing Last Christmas. Here we go. A cuadro, I guess it was a short right. But thanks to the lover on the fire is out. But a man on the time, but you told me about it now. If I really love you, never fool again. Let's go! Okay, that's so good. I love this Christmas version of Last Christmas. I think I know already where to get that. Later I'll explain. Come on, let's hurry up and finish singing. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. But this year, I'll send it for tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, oh my gosh, you wait. This year, I'll send it for tears, I'll give it to someone special. Yes! Whoa, what the F? Never mind, I still won anyway. Yay! Whoa! Look at the battle between Kuya Bong Navarro and Kuya Ding Dong Avanzado and Manny Pacman Pacquiao and Rafi Tulfo and Wendell Ramos. The battle is getting intense. Whoa! Look at the scoreboard now. Look who's the new fast racer. Brother Adam! Whoa! Nice! Alam mo talaga, gusto ko talaga yung Christmas song na yan. Ay, makada! Last Christmas, pwede ako mag-rap. Eto na! Last Christmas, bigyan ako ng puso mo at kakain ng bukas. Eto na naman. At ito, si Ate Negi ay makalik sa akin. Yeah! Yeah! Dami kayong mga antics na yun. Kuya Bong, Kuya Jong, di ka tumigil. Where's my peach? Best episode ever! Oh, alam mo, natuwa talaga ako. Dahil, alam mo talaga, kahit Holy Week na, pamasko na, sana sa Holy Week, gusto ko later, baka I can see your voice. Alam mo, pag Holy Week, gusto ko makita ko si Jose Marichan. para makanta siya lahat yung mga kanta para kay Lord Jesus. Ano yung mga samples ni kanta ni Jose Marie Chan? Ang mga kanta ni Jose Marie Chan ay naging, can you sing me a song of Jose Marie Chan? Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I feel that I saw you. You love me in the dark. Ay, nako! Ate Sharon! Ano ba naman yan? Parang your face sounds familiar. Ate, di tumigil sa pagtawa ng mga bata! Siyempre naman, lahat yung mga kids, gusto nila yung your face sounds familiar. Di ba mga bata? Yes! Gusto more tawa! We want more kids! Gusto mo more tawa, more saya!
Siyempre! Gusto ko makita ko yung mga antics nila!
At eto pa! Gusto mo makita mo si Jose Marie Chan? Kahit hindi siya Pasko, pumunta siya dito sa Holy Week. Ganito yun. Sino who will play as Jose Marie Chan? Sino ang gusto mo will play Jose Marie Chan? I will become Jose Marie Chan because I'm Santa Claus, right? O sige, ikaw na. Ikaw maging Jose Marie Chan, ha? Ready ka na ba, Rapi? Ready ka na ba, Rapi? Ready? Kids, sabihin mo na. April 2 na, Monday, Thursday na. Pwede. Good Friday na, April 3 na. Pwede. Kids, sabihin mo na. Oy, April 4 na. Black Saturday na. Pwede. At Easter Sunday na. Nagbumuhay na si Jesus. At pag dumating na si Jose Marie Chan, paano yung kanta? Pwede. Alam ko na. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. Hey. Dude, be very careful. Dude, are you careful what you're doing? Be very careful what you're doing, ha? Sige, next race na tayo. Are you ready? Yeah, I just had so much fun talaga. Dahil sa more tao, more saya na yan. Kaya naman, that's why I forgot eh. Sorry. Sige, next race na tayo. Anyway, wala yung mga antics. Tagal naman tayo dito. Ay, nako, ang tagal mo talaga. Lahat yung mga antics mo, walang kwenta! Come on, Brother Aldrich. Ayoko na talaga. Lahat yung mga antics mo, walang kwenta! Tara na! Walang Wiji Stadium! Ngayon! Ay, nako, dahil sa your Merry Christmas naman. Sige, okay na? Sige na, punta na tayo. Ay nako, nainis na kayo. Nainis na ako dahil sa inyo. Dahil lahat kayo ay matagal sa mga antics mo. Dahil sa hindi na tayo pumunta sa Wallowing Stadium. Puta, ina mo talaga. At dahil dyan, ay tumigil ka. Tumimik ka. At ngayon, kailangan ko manalo. Puta, ina mo talaga, Rafi. Sumuhin kita sa NBI. Puta, ina mo talaga. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Oh my gosh, that Kyle Contra. Yeah! Oh, ito na. I'm gonna rap now. Oh, I got it. If we can make your face sound familiar again. Maybe what's... Oh, crap. Oh, my goodness. This is not so good. There's more intensifying stuff in there. I better get the hell out of here. Please, hurry. Please stop. Oh, crap. I heard that. What's your name? I heard that. Ano yun? Si Therese? She's now home with a star power. I better get the hell out of here before it's too late. Hurry! Oh, great. Look at that brother Adam. He's on the first right now. Yay, I like it. Oh, nice one, Mel Tiangco. Bilisan mo. Let's go. Don't waste my time because we gotta win this game. We gotta win, yo. Yeah. Okay, turn left. Hurry up. Bakit yung ganito talaga yung pag-uusap? Oh, what the F? Yes! Hey! Okay, one more. Yes! Yeah! Good. Okay, jump. Very good. Stop. I know, what the hell? Stop! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what the hell? Did you just get Duterte? I hope Duterte gets killed because of that. Nyahaha! Moron! Wahaha! Take it away, you losers! Nyahaha! Away from you losers. Because I'm really gonna ace it. I'm really gonna give it a win. Oh no, that's not good. Because Sky is already coming up with a win! Nyahaha! Get away from me, yo! I can't even win because of you. Hurry! Better hurry up before it's too late now. Hurry! Better jump. Come on, jump. Very good. Almost one more there. No! Yes! Yeah! Oh no, this is not good. We have Alden Richards on the back. I think that no! Thank you. Oh my gosh, that Viper is now catching up. She's up to something. She's now for the win. Vipery, stop! Stop that Crystal Grimner. I already know what she's up to now. She really wants to win the finish line more than ever, as much as I did. Hurry! Oh, it's fine. It's okay! Wow! Hot dog! Eddie, wow! Hot dog sa inyo! Wow! At least their stages were much more improvement. Look at that! Ang galing talaga yung mga bagong racers na yun. Ang dami improvement. Eddie, wow! Ay, naku, salamat dyan. Dahil dyan, nag-wallowing stadium na tayo. Eto na, mag-wrap na tayo. Pwede tayo mag-York player ng York Face Sounds Familiar. Maging wallowing man. Wag na, ayoko na talaga. Tumahimik ka. Sabihin ko na kay Kuya Dong. Yes, Kuya is there. Alam mo talaga, gusto ko talaga mag-join ng York Face Sounds. Alam mo talaga, pwede tayo mag-join ng York Face Sounds Familiar. Pwede ba ako tayo dyan? Magkanta tayo ng Christmas Carol. Kung saan, si Rafi ay makanta ng Rafi, pasok na! Sabihin mo na bata. April 1 na! When it... Monday, Thursday na! When it... Good Friday na! Kung saan namatay si Jesus! When it... Black Saturday na! When it... At kapag Easter na! Tayo na! Magkanta na tayo! Ito na, let's... Sing! Let's sing Merry Christmas! Hey, and a Happy Holiday! Hey, the season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Hey, let him be the... Yeah, let me join too. I love so much. Let him be the one to guide us. Hey, as another New Year starts. Hey, and may the spirit of grace, hey, hey, be always in our hearts. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, yeah, nasaya na. Miss Shawi, ano sabihin mo sa rap na to? Oh, parang kapag Easter na at pag dumating na si Jose Marichan, kung ganun talaga yung galing ng mga bata, masaya na sila dahil si Panginoon ay nabuhay na. Very funny. Dahil dyan, hoy, wag kayo makalis. Alam mo bakit? Bakit? Mag-quit na tayo? Oh, for goodness sake, for the love of God. Finally, is it time to press the quit button? I've been excitedly waiting for it. No, need not! We got more excitement in our hands! Oh no, another boring break and much more excitement? Oh my goodness, Rafi's now partying with Kuya Bong Navarro and Kuya Jong Hilario. This is much too exciting, that does it. I'm going back to my... Oh my goodness. Guys, it's not over till it's over. Alam mo bakit? We're gonna have another break. Let's eat, guys. It's time to eat pansit! Pansit habhab! Ang sarap! Negi, ang sarap talaga yung pansit na yan, ha? Parang gusto ko talaga kumain. Alam mo talaga ako pag kumain ako ng mga pansit na to? Pwede ko habulin ng pansit habhab. Ito yung pansit habhab. Kung pag kumain ako ng pansit habhab, pwede ko na habulin baka 666. Yes, Kuya Lu. Sarap naman to. Bili mo sa vendor, kahit 1 million ba yan. Sarap. Habhab. Habhab. Noodles. Oh, sarap. Pansit. Kantada. Nyam, 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 nyam. Nyam, nyam. Kain ko na lahat. Para makaroon ko ng enerhiya para sa susunod na race. Wahaha. Yeah, me too. Yum, 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 yum. Sarap. What do you think about this, brother? That looks good, brother. Thank the Lord for the food. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Mimi. Yum, yummy.
At dyan pa tayo. Pwede tayo kumain ng puto pie. Sarap. Puto na naman tayo. Ito naman. Meron tayong isang dip dito. Anong flavor to? Ano to? Sarap to. Dip na namin. Tapos kain. Sarap, parang salted egg powder. At cheese. Sarap. Gusto mo tikman natin, Eggy? Sarap. Alam mo talaga, kapag kumuhain ng kami ito, huwag na ako manakas at maniya. Sarap. Alright. Let's eat. Don't go away! Magbabalik ang Your Face Sounds Familiar! Meanwhile,
What's up, mga ka-familiars? Chika muna tayo habang commercial break.
dyan tayo na! Pwede tayo kain na! Wahahaha! Gutom na ako! Kain na! Huwag na tayo maglalaro na! Kain na!